A neural network is a computer system inspired by the human brain. Your brain is made of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons connect to each other and pass signals around. That's how you think, recognize faces, learn new things, and make decisions. Scientists tried to copy this idea and build it in a computer. That's why it's called a neural network, because it's based on neurons. And it's called a network, because many neurons are connected together. But here's an important point. A neural network is not a real brain. It's a math system that learns patterns. So instead of thinking, it calculates. Instead of understanding, it finds patterns. And that pattern-finding ability is what makes AI so powerful.
Artificial neuron.
Let's understand the most important part first, the artificial neuron. A single artificial neuron is very simple. It does three basic things. It receives inputs. It does a calculation. It produces an output. Think of it like a tiny decision machine. Example: imagine you are deciding whether to carry an umbrella. Inputs: is it cloudy? Is it humid? Is rain predicted? Your brain takes these inputs and makes a decision. Yes, take umbrella. No, don't take umbrella. An artificial neuron works in a similar way. It receives numbers as input. It multiplies them by importance, weights. It adds them together. It produces an output. So a neuron is basically a small math formula. One neuron is not very powerful. But when you connect thousands or millions of neurons together, they can do amazing things.
Layers in a neural network.
Neurons in AI are organized into layers. There are usually three main types of layers. Input layer. This is where the information enters the network. Example: if the AI is recognizing a picture, the input layer might receive pixel, values, colors, shapes. Hidden layers. These are the middle layers where most of the learning happens. They are called hidden because we don't directly see what they are doing. These layers detect patterns, combine features, learn complex relationships. For example, in face recognition. First layer detects edges. Next layer detects shapes. Next layer detects eyes, nose, mouth. Final layer detects a face. Output layer. This is the final answer. Example outputs. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is a human face. So the flow looks like this. Input, hidden layers, output. This is how a neural network processes information.
How neural networks learn.
Now, the big question is, how does a neural network learn? The answer is something called training. Training works like this. Step 1, show the network an example. Step 2, the network makes a guess. Step 3, check if the guess is correct. Step 4, if wrong, adjust the network. Step 5, repeat millions of times. This process is called learning from mistakes. Just like humans learn. You try, you make a mistake, you correct it, you improve. Neural networks learn the same way, but using math. They adjust something called weights. Weights are numbers that control which inputs are more important. Over time, the network finds the best weights to make accurate predictions. This process is called training the model. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine we are training an AI to recognize cats versus dogs. We show the network thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. At first, the AI guesses randomly. Cat, wrong. Dog, wrong. Cat, wrong. But each time it is wrong, it adjusts its weights. After thousands of tries, it starts noticing patterns. Cats have pointy ears. Dogs have longer snouts. Cats have different eye shapes. Eventually, the AI becomes very accurate. But here's the important part. The AI does not know what a cat is. It just recognizes patterns that look like a cat. That's how neural networks work. Pattern recognition.
Why neural networks are powerful?
Neural networks are powerful because they are very good at finding patterns in large amounts of data. They are used in face recognition, speech recognition, language translation, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, chatbots like ChatGPT, recommendation systems, fraud detection. Traditional programming tells a computer exact steps, but neural networks learn the steps by themselves from data. That's a huge difference. Old programming, if this happens, do this. Neural networks learn from data, make predictions. That's why AI is so powerful today.
Neural networks and ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is built using a very advanced type of neural network called a transformer. This neural network is trained on massive amounts of text, grammar, sentence structure, facts, writing styles, conversations, patterns in language. When you type a message, the neural network breaks text into tokens, processes them through many layers, predicts the next word, generates a response. So ChatGPT is basically a very large neural network trained on text. That's why it's called a large language model.
Simple analogy.
Think of a neural network like this. Imagine a huge factory. The input layer is the raw material coming in. The hidden layers are machines processing and refining the material. The output layer is the final product. Input, processing, output. That's a neural network. Let's summarize everything. A neural network is a system inspired by the human brain, made of artificial neurons, organized into layers, learns by adjusting weights, learns from mistakes, finds patterns in data, makes predictions. In simple words, a neural network is a system that learns patterns from data and uses those patterns to make predictions.
What is deep learning?
Deep learning is a special type of neural network. Remember earlier we talked about neural networks having layers. Input layer, hidden layers, output layer. The word deep does not mean deep like the ocean. It means deep equals many layers. So neural network, few layers. Deep learning, many layer. As more layers equals the AI can learn more complex patterns.
Simple analogy.
Imagine you are trying to recognize a face. Your brain does this in steps. First you see edges, then shapes, then eyes, then nose, then mouth, then the full face. Then you recognize the person. Deep learning works the same way, layer by layer. Each layer learns something more complicated.
Why deep learning is so powerful?
Deep learning is very good at working with images, speech, video, language, complex patterns. Let's look at real-world examples. Images, face recognition. When you upload a photo to social media and it suggests tagging your friend, That's deep learning. The AI does not see a face like humans. Instead, it learns patterns like edges, shapes, eye distance, face structure. After seeing millions of faces, it becomes very good at recognizing people. This is called image recognition. Speech voice assistants. When you say, "Hey Siri, Alexa, okay Google," how does the computer understand your voice? Your voice is actually a sound wave. Deep learning converts sound, patterns, words, meaning. It learns from millions of voice recordings and becomes very good at understanding speech. This is called speech recognition. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most advanced uses of deep learning. A self-driving car must recognize traffic lights, recognize stop signs, recognize pedestrians, recognize other cars, stay in a lane, avoid accidents. The car uses cameras, sensors, deep learning models. The AI is constantly predicting what is in front, what will happen next, should I stop or turn? This is deep learning making real-time decisions. AI art. Have you seen AI generate pictures from text like an astronaut riding a horse on Mars? That's deep learning too. The AI was trained on millions of images and learned patterns like what a horse looks like, what an astronaut looks like, what Mars looks like, what painting styles look like. Then it combines those patterns to create new images. That's why it's called AI-generated art.
So here's the big idea.
Deep learning equals neural networks with many layers that can learn very complex patterns. And that's why deep learning is used in face recognition, voice assistants, self-driving cars, ChatGPT, Google Translate, AI art, medical image detection, recommendation systems like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon. Deep learning is one of the most important technologies in modern AI. Let's summarize everything. Deep learning is a type of neural network. It has many hidden layers. More layers equals can learn more complex patterns. It is very good at images, speech, and language. It powers many modern AI applications. So when you hear the words AI, neural networks, and deep learning, they're all connected. Deep learning is the technology that allows computers to see, hear, understand, create, and make decisions. And that is why deep learning is changing the world. Thanks for watching. Hope AI feels a lot simpler now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech explanations.